Hey guys, TheTechOtaku here and welcome back to another video on the channel. And today we're gonna be showing you guys how to flash a custom splash screen on the Lenovo A6000 and the A6000 Plus. Remember that I have a new Lenovo logo as a splash screen on the custom ROM shenanigans video? Well, now I have something to the next level. And that is the new TheTechOtaku logo as well as the sneaky chibi. Trying to take a photo or something. Anyway, I went too far on the Bootlogo. Sorry guys. But anyway, with that out of the way, let's get right to the tutorial. First step is to go onto the XDA forum in the description. Click on steps to create splash.img. Then click on Lenovo A6000 splashmaker.zip. That way it'll download the zip file. In my case, I already done that. Second of all, open up Photoshop or some free alternatives that should work out, like GIMP for example. The splash screen on Lenovo A6000 or A6000 Plus has to be at least 720 by 1280. Any resolutions that isn't designed for it could break it. Third, you need to think of an idea of what splash screen you're making, and then work your way for a personalized splash screen on your beloved Lenovo A6000 or A6000 Plus. Once you're happy with your splash screen, save your new Bootlogo. Save logo as .png or .jpeg. Optionally, if you're absolute crazy, you can simply make your own Fastboot screen. Once saved, go onto the downloads folder, right click on the zip file and click on extract here. Both WinRAR or 7-zip should work if you have either of them. Go onto the folder you just extracted and go onto the pics folder. Delete the old logo image first and then copy your new boot logo over to here. If you have a custom Fastboot screen, it's a similar process, but replace the old Fastboot image to a new one. Once done, go back and then run create_logo.bat. And then if it's done, it'll prompt you if you want to make a recovery flashable splash zip file. Type yes or no if desired. If you're going with the Fastboot method, type no. Or if you choose recovery method, type yes and it'll create a recovery flashable splash zip file. If you're choosing Fastboot method, keep watching or skip to this timestamp to guide you how to flash it using twerp. For Fastboot method, download Fastboot at the link in the description below. Make sure you scroll down to download here and point onto the please wait 4 seconds to download and click on the text click here to download under the ad. Don't click on the ad, just don't. It's bad. Once downloaded, extract to the Fastboot folder and then open command prompt window there by holding shift key and right click on empty space and then open that way. Unfortunately, Microsoft wants me to use PowerShell on Windows 10 which I don't want, so I had to use WinX method and use cd commands twice to get to the Fastboot directory. Okay, now time to power the phone down. In order to enter Fastboot mode on the Lenovo A6000 or A6000 Plus, you have to hold the volume down and power. And voila, you're in Fastboot mode. And look at that. I have my lovely custom Fastboot screen. Plug the phone onto the computer via micro USB cable and let's get onto the computer. You might want to type Fastboot devices to make sure your Lenovo A6000 or A6000 Plus is detected. Once it says a random code and Fastboot listed there, you're good to go. Copy the splash.img from the pic folder in splashmaker directory onto the Fastboot directory. Once you've done that, type on Fastboot splash.img and then hit enter. In order for Bootlogo change to take effect, type on Fastboot reboot. I have to type Fastboot reboot bootloader to make sure my Fastboot screen was changed. And there we go, we're done. Now I have my below the TechOtaku simple little splash screen and as well as the Fastboot screen, for example only. Alright, now onto the recovery flashing method. Okay guys, so I need to go back to the new Lenovo logo and the lovely Weep the TechOtaku logo Fastboot splash screen. And I still have this flashable splash.zip. If you want to do this using the twerp method, go onto the zip file that you extracted earlier and go onto output and copy the flashable underscore splash.zip. Copy it over onto your phone. But you have to plug the phone onto your computer using a micro USB cable in order to transfer your files onto the phone. So yeah, that's about it. Once you're done transferring the flashable splash.zip from your computer to your phone, you can simply reboot the phone onto the recovery. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and okay, something's wrong there. As you can see, I have the coffee milk in the background for some odd reason, and it's not finished. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. I'll be right back. This is so good. So I'm gonna keep it in the background. Once the phone was powered off, go ahead and hit all the volume buttons, both up and down, and power. And as you can see, we got the lovely the TechOtaku splash screen that I showed earlier. And there you go, twerp. Once you're in twerp, go ahead and hit install, scroll down, and hit flashable underscore splash.zip, and then swipe to confirm flash. And we're done. I'm gonna hit reboot system, and I got the Lenovo logo again. So that's gonna be about it for the tutorial on how to change a splash screen on the Lenovo A6000 or A6000 Plus. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out new videos like this. And yeah, as always, the TechOtaku signing out. Peace.